Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your BB&T virtual card for secure online shopping, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Log into your BB&T online banking account using your computer or mobile banking app. Step 2. Navigate to the virtual card or digital card section within your account dashboard. Step 3. Locate your new BB&T virtual card in the list of available cards or payment options. Step 4. Click on the Activate Card button or option next to your virtual card details. Step 5. Review the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code that will be used for online purchases. Step 6. Set your spending limits or transaction preferences for the virtual card if these options are available. Step 7. Confirm the activation by following any additional prompts or verification steps required by BB&T. Step 8. Your BB&T virtual card is now active and ready to use for online shopping. Use the virtual card details instead of your physical card number for added security during internet transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.